Okay, so today we're going to talk about relations in our introduction unit to that. And so we're going to be going over a few terms just to start. The first one is ordered pairs. Now, an ordered pair is a set of values. 1 second here. So an ordered pair is a set of values that show both the x and y variable that are related in a point. Okay, so this would look like 1, 3, and then 4, 6, and whatever the next ordered pairs would be. Those are ordered pairs. Okay, your domain is all possible x values in a set of numbers or a relation. And your range here is all possible y values in a set of numbers or a relation. And a table of values is a way of showing all of the ordered pairs as inputs and outputs. So those are some of the key vocabulary words that we have here, and they're not overly complex. There's nothing really fancy about them. They are just the words that we need to know for this section. So when we talk about relations, we're talking about any set of numbers that are paired together, and we're looking at how they are associated with one another. And so this following here, this is our table of values for the following set that we're going to be working with. Okay, that's what this guy is here. In our table of values, we can look at two different things here. And so one, we can pull out our ordered pairs. And so our ordered pairs here would be 0, 1, or sorry, 0, 0, this one here, 1, 4, 2, 8, and so on. And so those would be our ordered pairs. This is my dog, everybody. And then that's what we could look for that. The next thing that we're able to do is find our domain and range. And so domain is all of our possible x values. And so in this situation, we would write domain. And then we're going to put these squiggly brackets because these are individual points. They are not connected. They're not continuous. We call them discrete. And so these would be the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then the range, which is all possible y values, would look like this: 0, 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. So those are all possible y values. This bracket should have been a little wavy one here. Part of our math formatting is that we do use these specific brackets and not another. So with this table of values, I can plot my relationship on this graph here. And so I'm going to do that by lining up my x values and my y values on this graph. So this first point that I've circled in blue is going to get plotted right on that corner because I've labeled this 0, 0. My next one is going to be 1 and 4. And then my one after that is going to be 2 and 8. And then I'm just going to do my next one, which is 3 and 12. And then we'll go back to blue, 4 and 16, and so on. So if I were to draw a line through these points, it will look something like this here. It's not a perfect line. It's not a perfect graph. It's hand-drawn. So we're just going to go with it. This table of values right here has produced, this table of values right here has produced this graph with this domain and range. So this is some of the information that I can pull from this graph using a table of inputs and outputs. The only thing you want to be careful of when you are drawing graphs like this is that your y values and your axes here, the ratio is consistent. So it's always going up by the same, or it's always going down by the same. And then this here, again, same thing, has to be consistent. They don't have to be the same as each other, but they do have to be consistent. Okay, that's all for this video here. And then we will move in the next video to representing data using function models and different kinds of models and talking about functions in that sense. And we'll also move into defining a function as well.